Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. We're looking at the iPhone 14 Pro Crux case from Catalyst. It has 33% larger bumpers all the way around each corner, as opposed to the Crux case of last year. And as you can see, it has the blocking area around the camera module to keep that safe, as well as the screen area. It has all of this that's raised above the screen. Any Magsafe accessory that you have, this is Magsafe Compatible for that. You have 30% wider four corner, which I had mentioned just a moment ago. It's actually 33%. And drop protection up to 10 feet. Comes with a lanyard as well. And that's what it looks like on the bottom right there. And on the sides, it has the grippy sides, power button covers, volume button covers, and the like. And you can get it now from Catalyst.